Alright, so if your PC is freezing, apps are taking forever to open, and everything feels stuck, there's a good chance your disk usage is hitting 100%. In Windows 11, this is a pretty common issue, especially on older or overloaded systems. So in 2026, let's go step by step and fix it properly. First, restart your computer. This clears temporary processes that may be overloading your disk. Now open Task Manager using Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Go to the Processes tab and click Disk to sort usage. If you see apps using too much disk, right-click and end them. This can immediately reduce pressure. Next, go to Startup Apps and disable unnecessary ones. Too many startup programs can cause disk spikes right after boot. Sometimes search indexing causes constant disk activity. Turning it off can reduce usage significantly. Another common cause is the SysMain service. You can disable it to reduce disk load on slower drives. High disk usage can also be caused by viruses or hidden malware. Run a full security scan to make sure your system is clean. If your drive is almost full, performance drops fast. Delete unused files or clear temporary data. Make sure your system is fully updated. Updates often fix disk performance bugs. If nothing works, your hard drive might be failing. Check drive health and consider upgrading to an SSD. So yeah, that's how to fix 100% disk usage on Windows in 2026. Most of the time, it's just a few settings causing the issue, and your system can go back to normal quickly.